they walking in? Azata, can you go now? Check in. Go.
Okay, they're here.
Okay, DPS ready on me.
They just start safe. They just start safe.
Oh, see it.
Yeah, put the post in, put the post. Ready on me, shallow DPS. Guys, look at me. 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Put it. Ready, engage. Careful, they're engaging, they're looking. Just hold. Reset. How long, CD? How long?
Yes, ready. Ready.
Okay, ready again on the gate. Fast engage. Ready? On me. 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate. Okay, now ready, come back. They're looking, bro. How long for next?
Long CD. 20.
Careful, left.
20. Okay, just hold. Go. Spread out this. We have retreat bomb. Guys, don't be near
4
gate,
second.
Parma ready.
TPS 4
Okay,
second. 2 second. Don't already.
Who died? Is that Allen? Okay, ready on me? On the gate, ready in 3, 2, 1. Hit on gate. Okay, careful. They're looking on left tank. You know what? Everyone come out. Walk out. They're engaged on left tank. Walk out. Everyone walk out, bro. Walk out. Overrun them, bro.
Cool down.
Walk out, bro. Hello? Walk out, bro. Walk out. Spread. Find the crown. DPS ready? Find the crown. 3.
Don't already. Yep.
Find the crown. Deep inside of them. 3, 2, 1. Hit on me. Delete me. Spread out, bro. Everyone spread out and bro. Spread out and bro. Overrun them backline, bro. Overrun your backline. Just keep pushing. You ready? DPS find the crown. Ready on me. On the crown. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown. Hit the crown, guys. Keep walking in and blow them. Bro. Keep walking in, blow them.
Brawler, keep pushing. Brawlers, mount up if you're behind.
Yeah.
Push.
Keep going. Blow them. DPS, how long for engage?
Ready.
DPS ready on me. Find the crown. On me. Find the crown. 2, 1. Hit the crown. Delete the crown. Hey, just blow them, bro. We're fucking.
They're running.
Just
One.
touch everyone. I told you, bro, no fear. Just go out and hold them.
Kill him.
Yeah, touch everyone.
And don't forget to loot.
No GG.
GG.
For them.
Touch everyone. Guys.
Yo, why our ally killing more than us? Come on, kill more, boys. Kill more.
Don't let them mount up, okay? Dismount impulse, kill him.
Hey guys, don't get ratted. If you're low, you scream, okay?
Yo, I have
Our
someone
bottom
on me. I have 2 people on me, if you guys want.
Ping.
Alright. Can you ping if there's any more rats dismounted?
Ooh, T9.
Okay.
Killing na.
Hey,
Ping.
Kill him.
On the bridge.
Oh, catch the bottom mount. Catch the bottom mount.